Hey, good morning. Today we're unboxing the HYCHIKA 17-piece bi-metal hole saw kit. Let's look inside and see what comes inside the box. Right out of the case, you'll notice everything is neatly organized and ready for use. The set includes 13 hole saw blades ranging from 3/4 inch to 2.5 inches, along with 2 mandrels and an installation plate. These saws are made from high-speed steel with a bi-metal construction, giving them durability and precision. Whether you're cutting through metal, PVC board, plastic plate, or wood, the sharp teeth design ensures fast and smooth cutting, while the tough build helps extend the tool's life even with repeated use. Everything packs back into the sturdy storage case, keeping the set portable, organized, and easy to grab for your next project. The HYCHIKA Hole Saw Kit is a versatile choice for DIY projects, construction jobs, or home repairs, offering both convenience and performance in one package.